Imagine being able to create a polished presenter-style video without needing a camera, studio, or professional equipment. HeyGen makes that possible. With just a few clicks, you can turn a simple script or even a single image into a fully animated talking head video.
The homepage is clean and easy to navigate. You can start by typing in a topic or pasting a URL, and HeyGen will generate a script for you. From there, you've got a few great creation options. Use the photo-to-video feature to animate a still image, translate an existing video into multiple languages, or simply build a video from scratch using templates. You can also generate avatars or use the AI script generator if you're starting from an idea. Everything you need is available in one place, making content creation simple and fast. In the avatar section, you'll find a huge selection of characters to choose from: professional, lifestyle, user-generated, and AI-generated avatars. Whether you need a corporate spokesperson or something more casual, there's a style to suit your message. Once you choose a character, you can customize their appearance by selecting from various looks, helping you keep your content consistent and on-brand. For personalized content, the photo-to-video feature lets you upload a high-quality image of yourself, a client, or anyone with permission, and animate it using your script and a selected voice. It's a powerful way to bring still images to life with realistic motion and expression. In the Labs section, HeyGen showcases some of its newest tools. The video podcast feature turns a document or YouTube link into a two-speaker conversation with avatars. Interactive Avatar lets you create a clickable, chat-style experience. Instant Highlights automatically edits longer videos into bite-sized clips, and URL to video transforms any web page into a short, engaging visual story. Pricing is simple. The creator plan is $29 per month and includes unlimited videos, 1080p export, and custom avatar options. The team plan offers extra features like 4K export and faster processing, while enterprise plans cater to larger organizations. There's also a free tier that lets you try out the core features with watermarked outputs.
If you're looking for a fast, flexible way to create engaging video content without the usual production hassle, HeyGen is a tool worth trying. Start free and scale up as your needs grow.